Start blocking your brows with a glue stick. This is non-toxic, Walmart brand. So I'm going to start by outlining where I want my doll-like features to be with a white liner. Alright, so we're going to paint Chucky over here and Tiffany over here. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with that. I've painted the red for the neck. See, once you paint your stripes, you're just going to set them with an eyeshadow to make them more vibrant. Black for Tiffany's jacket. I just added some white details and some silver to the jacket. Just adding a light layer of foundation so I can get doll-like skin. Block the brows with some concealer and start the eyeshadow shape. We're just going to add some black here, and then this is as good as the eyeshadow is going to get for me. And then I'm going to take the contour and start mapping out like how I think the face should look. We added some blush, now some black liner. We're going to do Chucky's eye, which is just going to be some red, and we worked on the brow already. After we do the red, we're going to outline with black and then go in with the contour on this side, on this side, and then we're going to blend that out. Blend out. We had black there, so we're going to go over it with red. I don't know if I like this, but we're just going to keep going because we're too far in to stop. Outline that with a white to make it kind of look like an open skin. We'll see. So we just added some black liner. We're going to add some lashes. I've put some details on there. I painted my hair orange because I don't have an orange wig, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. So far, I think it looks okay. This is my finished Chucky and Tiffany. I hope it looks okay. Thanks for watching.